Alright guys, today I want to do a full unboxing, review, and build on my new 24-inch end table with charging station. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, so let's go ahead and set it up. So as you can see, all the parts come labeled with numbers and letters, making it easy to follow along the instructions. As long as you match everything up with the illustrations, the assembly should take about an hour, at least that's what it took me. The clear labeling really helps, so you don't have to be guessing what part goes where. It's a pretty straightforward process. Once you do have it assembled, the table has a large 24-inch square top. This will give you plenty of space for either a laptop, phone, lamp, or any other essentials without feeling like it's super crowded. You'll see right now in mine, I'll put like an Alexa and other items on mine. One of the standout features that I did like was the built-in charging station. I'm always looking for somewhere to put my charger or where to connect it. So it does come with two standard AC outlets, a Type-C USB port, and a 3.0 USB, and then also a regular USB port. Here is the finished product. Underneath, you can see you got plenty of storage. The table combines a chest of drawers with a large open cabinet space below, giving you plenty of room for things like a storage basket, blankets, books. What's nice is the shelves are adjustable, so you can set up the space to fit different sized items as needed. It's perfect if you like switching things up or need space for larger items. Now, as far as the look, the table has a natural wood finish that really shows off that wood grain. It's untreated, so it keeps that classic rustic look that brings us some warmth to the space. This is what mine looks like once I actually put all my items on it. As you can see, you're able to charge and plug in multiple devices like I have on here. As you can see on the top one, I'm keeping some planners and my remote control in that one. On the second one, I am keeping my laptop and charger. Fits perfectly, my laptop in there. And then lastly, a couple books on that one. Alright guys, so there you have it. I really love all the ports that it comes on here. We're actually going to keep this in our bedroom. And I just really like the finish of it. Just everything that I could put in here. Like I said, I got some planners in here, my laptop, some books. Really, really nice. Decorate it however you want. But the fact that I can just charge all my devices right off of here, keep that Alexa going, it's just super convenient. Like I said, it also looks really nice. So if you guys are looking for a new end table, definitely look into this. So I'm going to leave that link down below. Highly recommend.